Bill Gates, the founder of Microsoft Corporation, some time back said that the future will belong to computer and biological sciences. Yes, his statement has already become a reality and it will be more stronger in the near future. The governments have realized it, the educational institutions have realized it, and industries have realized it, but not the students. Students are yet to consume the fact that life sciences or biological sciences will be the future destination of job seekers. Yes, my friends, there are a lot of opportunities. There is satisfaction that you have done something to save some lives. You are a part of an endeavor that is contributing to the food and healthcare industry of the world. In this video, I'll mainly focus on the status of industries related to life sciences worldwide, especially in India. Life sciences are the future destination for job seekers. Serum Institute of India, which made the famous vaccine Covishield, and Biocon are the number one and number two biotech companies, companies related to life sciences in India. These are the top 30 global companies which are related to life sciences and biological sciences. We have Genentech, Pfizer, Merck, Amgen, Novartis are the top 5 companies. The companies related to biological sciences or life sciences is about 2,500 in India. There are 2,700 startups also that are there in India which are established already. And all these companies are hiring people, hiring biological scientists. As I mentioned earlier, the salary is up to 1,50,000 US dollars that is paid to biological scientists. The list is growing. There are a number of new companies being formed, and the salaries also are going to increase from this level to higher level. So there are a lot of prospects for biological sciences, lot of future for biological sciences, and there will be lot of jobs available in life sciences. India has started 9 biotech parks, 60 bio incubators, 9 biosafety level 3 laboratories. All these are related to biotechnology enabled services, and all these are done by the government of India to boost this science called life sciences or biological sciences. My dear friends, please realize the fact that biotechnology is the future of the youth of India. The population of India is about 130 crores. 50% of the population is under the age of 25, and there is a lot of workforce in India, and there is a lot of awareness towards the healthcare in the world, and it is growing globally, growing in India especially. There are new diseases cropping up every now and then. There are a number of lifestyle disorders which have to be looked into. So there is lot of demand for new drugs, new medical devices, and since the population is increasing, there is more demand for food, and hence life science will be the future of tomorrow. Please realize this and take up this science as your career. 12 of the major world biotech companies are situated in India. There are 650 FDA approved manufacturing plants in India, and the number is always increasing. There are 2,500 biotech companies in India. There are 2,700 startups related to biotechnology and life sciences in India, and this number is always growing. And all this actually amounts to high number of jobs, high salaries, and high demand for biological scientists in the future. Please subscribe and wait for new videos on this topic in the future. I am planning to make more and more videos on this subject in the future. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. All the best to you. Please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video with some other topic. Thank you very much.